Thailand has just introduced a brand new immigration app called THIM. Many travelers are now asking the same question: does THIM replace the Thailand Digital Arrival Card, also known as TDAC? Let's look at what this new app actually does and what tourists need to know before traveling to Thailand in 2026. THIM stands for Thailand Immigration Management. The app was developed by Thailand's Immigration Bureau to modernize and simplify the arrival process for foreign visitors. The goal is to reduce paperwork, speed up immigration procedures, and make travel more convenient. The app is available for smartphones and is expected to become a central platform for many immigration-related services in the future. This is where many travelers get confused. As of today, THIM does not fully replace the TDAC requirement. Thailand still requires foreign visitors to submit arrival information before entering the country. THIM currently acts as an additional and more convenient way to provide that information. Think of it this way: TDAC is the arrival card requirement. THIM is the new platform that helps you complete it. One of the biggest advantages is convenience. Instead of manually typing all your passport information, the app can scan details automatically. Travelers then add their accommodation information, travel details, and other required arrival information. According to Thai immigration officials, the entire process can take only a few minutes. Thailand welcomes around 30 million international visitors every year. The Immigration Bureau wants to reduce congestion at airports and speed up processing times. Officials hope the system will reduce waiting times and make arrivals smoother for tourists. Future plans even include turning THIM into a larger super app for foreign visitors, offering additional immigration and travel services. The most important takeaway is simple: if you're traveling to Thailand soon, make sure your arrival information is completed before departure. THIM is a useful new option and will likely become more important over time. For now, think of THIM as Thailand's new immigration app that makes the process easier rather than eliminating existing requirements altogether. Thailand continues to modernize its entry procedures, and THIM could become one of the biggest travel changes for visitors in the coming years. Would you use the new THIM app for your next Thailand trip? Subscribe to TravelFacts for more Thailand travel updates.